Hello, my name is Veronica Gregory, and I am a new ReMar RN. I started this journey in 2018 for my RN license. I've been a LPN for 8 years, but I started my RN journey in 2018. I've taken the NCLEX, and I'm not ashamed to say it. I've taken it. When I took it last week, it was my 10th time taking that test. And what I want to say is God will send you help if you want it. So if you put God first, I believe in God, I pray. And He sent me ReMar Nursing. I did the ReMar V2. I did the questions. I did the content. I did the new gen questions. And when I tell you, going into that test, I felt confident. I did 145 questions a day. I wasn't concerned about my test shutting off at 85. I wanted it to keep going. And so I did 145 questions a day, sometimes 280. Depending if I was off or not, but I did 145 questions a day, plus did the content. And when I tell you, you can look at my book. I wrote all in my book. I was not playing. I have the new book and I have the old book, and I'm telling you, it looked wore out because I'm telling you, that's how much studying I was doing. But I want to tell somebody who is struggling, who has taken this test several times, don't give up. The Bible says the first shall be last and last shall be first. And you're getting ready to be first. What I will tell you, on my test, I had a lot of select all and apply, and I had a lot of new gen questions. When I tell you, you can't study just for a day. You can't study for just a week. You have to commit to studying. Do everything in that book that ReMar Nursing said. Do it, because Miss Regina is telling you right. You have to prepare. It's not a regular school test. It's a board test. So I want to tell you, don't give up. Don't give in. You are next. And trust me, I don't care if you take that test 500 times. You only fail when you don't go back and take that test. So to all the newcoming nurses, I'm cheering for you. You can do it. You got this. And I'm praying for you. You are next. Now I am Veronica Gregory, RN. And I want to say thank you to God and thank you to ReMar Nursing. Miss Regina, I want to say bless you and your husband. You all are doing a phenomenal and amazing thing. And so keep going, keep striving, and God bless you.